Joining us next for a second hunter trip in our special hunter division, this is entry number 362. 362, this is Champagne Dora, an entry owned by Hillary Dunaway out of Ocala, Florida. Wendy LaRoche aboard. Again, second hunter trip.
Outdoors so often.